Hey family, let's make potatoes 5 different ways. Starting off at number 5, roasted potatoes. Cut our potatoes into big chunks, just like this. And then we're gonna let this boil for about 25 minutes or until first tender. Ignore the sounds. My potatoes are boiling. Ooh. So now we're gonna put this in the oven for an hour and we're gonna check up on it every 15 to 20 minutes. The oven. So now we're gonna make a garlic butter sauce. I'll give this one a 10. At number 4, creamy mashed potatoes. Tender, just like this. Yeah. So I like this part, guys. I'm gonna go with some softened unsalted butter. I'm gonna go in the amount. More.
You see that?
Cheers. I'll give this a 9.5. Number 3, Japanese long fries. We're gonna give this a good mash. I'm just gonna use my hand to mix this, guys. So now we're just gonna pop this in the fridge for about 40 minutes to an hour. Over it. It's ready. Like, I'll give this one a 9 out of 10. Coming in at number 2 is everyone's favorite, French fries. Yeah. Pat them extremely dry. I'm gonna give this one an 8.5. And number 1 is accordion potatoes.
And then we're gonna do the same for the.
Ooh, they're ready. And I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. So finally, this is the end of our 5 different potatoes recipe. Yay! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more recipes and more content ideas like this. Bye, family. Mwah.